Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. So this video is going to be how to reset the oil maintenance light on a 2016 Honda Civic. So kind of confusing the way they have it set up, but here's what I did. It's already off right now. It's at 100%. It was at like 5% or whatever. I don't get it. So what I had done was I had it on the on position. All right. I clicked this. I clicked this, selected it to oil, pressed this, and also you guys see these buttons right here. I pressed reset. I pressed reset and it started blinking. I went up and down this button and it worked. It's blinking right now. It's reset. Now it's the first time I'm doing this myself. You probably gotta play around with it, but that's how it worked for me. I got it to 100%, which is, I believe that's what you gotta do. Had to, with this pressed down, I was playing around with this and got that to work. It wasn't like this is my second or third time doing it. It was my first time doing it. So I did it. So play around with it, guys. Hope this has helped you guys. I hope this has helped you guys. I don't know if it has or not, but it's somewhere around pressing this, and this. Yeah, I know it's not like it's not like 100% definitely procedure, but it's somewhere, work any of these and it'll work for you. All right, guys. All right, take care.